Hey Goobers, Anyways Rocks here, coming to you with a overview of my computer here. Yeah, it's a decent computer, and I will go ahead and shut it down here so we can take a look at the inside. So, Windows D, Alt F4, and then Enter. And flash going on my phone. As you can tell, it is kind of a mess, because not all these cables will fit behind here. You can see I do have some running through there, but it's not all able to fit in there. But I have them all mostly out of the way of the fans, so I have 3 fans in here. I have I think that is, let's see if I can, maybe? Nope, I think that is a 180 millimeter fan. This one up here is the same size. No clue. But 3 fair-sized fans. Here, focus. Oh, yes. Oh, it's focusing on that. There we go. I have 2 sticks of HyperX. One of them I believe is slower, the HyperX Blue. And then I have this HyperX, which I believe is faster, which is both, I believe, Corsair RAM. But I could be very wrong. Oh, let's pop one out. Oh, Kingston. Both decent. I've done some fair bit of gaming on this computer. Hang on. Get in there. There you go. Senti fan out of my old computer case. This is the heatsink that came with the Athlon, which is what is running this computer. Yeah, the Corsair fan up here, and then a Cooler Master fan that came with the Cooler Master case. Yeah, as you can see, there's an Athlon sticker down here. Well, that is 16 gigs of RAM. Down here I have a Kingston SSD now, 300, 120 gig, which runs the operating system and I think Minecraft. Yeah, this is an adapter that goes from the power supply to the 3-pin adapter, 3-pin computer. No, not computer. 3-pin fan. Yeah. This is a bit dusty. I'm going to blow it out before I put it all back together. 500 watt EVGA power supply. That's selling right now for $36 on Amazon. Or it was last time I checked. This is an XFX AMD R7, Radeon R7 2GB, 240. We're all running on a board I would not recommend getting. An MSI A68HM E33V2. We bought that for $40 last October, and it's already had to have its caps redone. Yep, that was good. Down here I have a Seagate. Focus on that, maybe? Yep, there it is. Oh, it's a repaired, so that has something to do with it, but it's only 750 gig. Could have sworn that was a terabyte. Oh, shit. That sucks. But yeah, it's an all-around decent drive. This used to be the hard drive that was in here. 1 terabyte Toshiba. I'm also watching the Brayhawk Tech Show where they are building a computer. As you can see there. Oh, I have a 250 gig hard drive up here, which isn't doing anything at the moment, but I will probably be using that for a Hackintosh build, spacer. This is just a hard drive or a CD drive that's filling that space. Yeah. What else should I go over? Pretty much all this came out of old computers, such as this solid state was out of my old computer. This came out of my old computer. This came out of an old HP. Focus. There we go. This is the board and RAM and motherboard are the only new parts in this computer. All the rest has been reused from previous builds. The case was what my old computer was built in. And this is a tiny board. I think this is a micro ITX board, but it doesn't even cover all the holes for the screws, as you can see. So, and I stopped there because I had a 5-minute limit, but we will continue. There's a whole bunch of spaghetti here. Oh, decent. This is my old computer here, by the way. I was running in between when I was building this. That's a decent computer. Did what I needed it to. Yep. I need to rehook up the power button lights and all that stuff. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and probably put this back together, and I will continue on with boot times and rest of the specs. Alright, so yeah. So after that brief intermission, sorry about the light over in the middle of the screen, but it is pretty dark over here, so you wouldn't be able to see much without the light on. But that computer is back up and running. I even have a power light now. I didn't have that before because I never hooked it up properly. So yeah. Alright, so it is running Windows 8.1. I believe professional. I will not upgrade to Windows 10. You cannot make me. As you can see, Steam just started up over there. Let's see, let's run through my apps, or my programs. There's a lot of them. Not as many as I thought. As you can see there, is it or not? Hold on. You can focus. As you can see there, focus. It is running Minecraft. There's my OBS, or my PS2 emulator, Truckers MP, all the standard 8.1 bullcrap. And yep, that's all I have on this computer apparently. Over here, there's my Euro Truck MP pointing at it. There's Euro Truck Farmer Sim. Here's regular Euro Truck Simulator, which I will take off my screen, or I won't. There we go. Tabletop Simulator, Tea Party Simulator, which I will be doing a stream of again one of these days. OBS, Merc Truck, Driver Booster. That's for, I believe, GTA. No, that's not GTA. I don't know if that is. Google Chrome, The Forest, Minecraft, Left 4 Dead 2, Steam, Portal 2, TeamSpeak, CCleaner, and my PS2 emulator, which sort of works. That's my Steam if anyone wishes to add. I probably will not game with you very much, but that could come in handy for future giveaways or gift-aways. There's all my games. You can pause if you want to read any of that. There's a few. Space Invades is Minecraft. Yeah. Alright, so let's do a shutdown time. Still on. Lights are on and fans are on. And now it's all off. That was about 7 to 10 seconds. Alright, power's on. There's a lot of smudges in the screen. I've never cleaned the screen. And it's on. Microsoft LiveCam is my microphone pretty much. There's my good microphone there, just not hooked up right now. And I have some things that I need to work out on it. And there's my old webcam, a C5205, which I still use occasionally for like Skype and stuff like that on this crap top here. This is what I monitor streams on. Now everyone's over on Twitch, so I go to Twitch and I just keep an eye on the chat, kind of just to keep the conversation in the chat. Second screen is a Dell. Well, I have this screen listed on my channel. PS4 is there. Don't use that anymore. Yep. 28-inch Viewsonic, 24-inch Dell for an AMD Athlon running. Oh, I should probably pull that up. So let me pause. Pretty sure I screwed up my RAM. Probably should reseat that. Oh, I screwed up my name on the computer too. But yeah, Windows 8.1 Pro, AMD Athlon 3.7 gigahertz. I think that's turbo clockable up to 4.2. Could be wrong. Gonna get upgraded to the new Athlon that just came out. Let's open up my device manager. My Wi-Fi card is that. It's decent. Does the job. Display R7200. Shouldn't have anything in here. Oh, it's detecting my portable hard drive, which is a 2 terabyte passport. And a whole bunch of shit. Yep. Alright, so let's zoom out. If you liked today's video, or if you'd like to know more, well, if you liked today's video, hit the like button. Comment if you want to know more about the computer, or comments, questions, concerns, suggestions. Subscribe for more, and until tomorrow, take care, guys.